Hello everyone, today I'm happy to share with you another holiday series tablescape video, and this one today is a blue setting, so a little bit unexpected and I think a little bit more versatile for the holiday season, so not just specific to Christmas, and I hope that you enjoyed this idea for today. So as always, I show you my new tapestry that I put up on that giant DIY that I have in my dining room. And I change this tapestry out constantly because you can get these on Amazon for $15 a piece and you can really set it up for any style. Then I take the table and I layer up my table runners with my ribbon and add in that kind of rustic and elegant fabrics in one that you've seen me do in other videos. These table runners and ribbons are from Hobby Lobby, and those large blue decorative rosettes are a DIY that I'll show you in another video I can tag at the end of this video. Then I continue with the mixture of the elegant fabrics with the rustic look, and I layer up my table settings. I like to do a placemat with the charger and the plate, and then I add in some more blue touches to really set this table scene. This kind of reminds me of a winter rose, and so I end up folding the napkin in a rose pattern. So you just fold it in half and then you roll it up almost to the end. You save two little bits of triangles at the end, and then you roll that on top, back on top of itself. And by doing that, you're creating a little rosette. And just watch, once you finish this roll and you tuck that last little piece into the back side of your rose, you fold down your leaves, then you have a beautiful little winter rose for your table setting. When I place this on the table, I actually put the napkin ring that I would have used around a napkin and placed it down on the plate, so this pretty little crystal setting, just to give a beautiful backdrop to that rose. And then I have those tiny little blue roses there just to give a little bit more accent to that piece. The table card name tag that you saw there was just a DIY that I also showed you in another video with a rosette from the Dollar Tree and a name tag from the Dollar Tree with their name on them. So it's very simple to do. You just glue them together and write the name on that, and it just creates a little bit more detail for that winter rose theme. I got these blue ornaments off of Amazon. I can link them in the description below, and I think that that's really what's going to make this look like a holiday table setting. I layer those in with different lights, and I use those little candle holders to keep some of the ornaments in place on some of the uneven surfaces. Now that blue rosette DIY that I have there is actually a dual purpose. You can take those ornaments off of there and then you can use this as hot plates as well. It's all about the layering effect. That's what makes a tablescape really beautiful, when you have multiple layers of fabrics, multiple layers of decorations and decor on there, different height levels. I brought in those branches that you've seen me use previously in another DIY video as well. And that really helps make a table very romantic and very beautiful, and something your guests will remember. And so I hope that you enjoyed that video and had some more inspiration on a different type of holiday tablescape that you could try this year. And so I'm curious to hear which one of these will be your favorite. I have one more coming out this season. And if you like this, give me a comment or a thumbs up in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinion. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye guys!